Today we are learning flowers name and spelling, so let's start. Aster, A-S-T-E-R, Aster. Carnation, C-A-R-N-E-D-I-O-N, carnation. Chrysanthemum, C-H-R-Y-S-A-N-T-H-E-M-U-M, chrysanthemum. Daffodil, D-A-F-F-O-D-I-L, daffodil. Dahlia, D-A-H-L-I-A, dahlia. Daisy, D-A-I-S-Y, daisy. Hibiscus, Hibiscus, hibiscus. Jasmine, Jasmine, jasmine. Lily, Lily, lily. Lotus, Lotus, lotus. Champaka, Chambaka, champaka. Marigold, Marigold, marigold. Morning Glory, Morning, morning, Glory, glory, morning glory. Orchid, Orchid, orchid. Pansy, Pansy, pansy. Poppy, Poppy, poppy. Rose, Rose, rose. Sunflower, Sunflower, sunflower. Tuberous, Tuberous, tuberous.